In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to change your payment method on GoDaddy. The first thing you need to do is to log into your GoDaddy account. It's a rather straightforward process, really. Just open your web browser and navigate to the GoDaddy website. Type in your username and password in the required fields, then click on the Sign In button. Firstly, what you need to do is to navigate to your account's Payment Methods page. You can do this by looking at the navigation menu that's usually located on the top right corner of your screen. Click on your profile photo and a drop-down menu will appear. From here, you need to select Payment Methods. This will take you directly to the page where you can add or change your existing payment method. Now, let's say you want to add a new payment method, maybe a new credit card, a PayPal account, or even a checking account. All you have to do is to click on the Add Payment Method option. Once you've done that, you will need to enter the required details of the payment method. If you're adding a new card, you'll be prompted to enter the card number, expiration date, and CVV. For a PayPal account, it asks for your username and password, while a checking account requires the bank name, account number, and routing number. But what if you already have a payment method and just want to edit the details? Well, it's quite simple. All you have to do is find the payment method that you would like to change. To the right of your listed methods, you'll find 3 small vertical dots. Click on these dots and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select the Edit option. Once you're in the Edit page, you're free to change any necessary information. Maybe you want to change the card number or the billing address. Once you've made all your necessary edits, don't forget to hit that Save Payment Method button. This is crucial. Once you hit the Save button, all your changes are applied to your account. So, there you have it. You've learned how to change your payment method on GoDaddy. It's as simple as navigating to the right page, clicking a few buttons, and inputting some necessary information. Redoing the method as needed will help the information stick.